Okay, guys, so I know Miss Miranda has taught you how to use the read write, and I just wanted to remind us on how to use that. So on your Chromebook, you're going to come up to this top right corner, the extensions button. Some of you will already have this purple read write. If you don't, you're just going to click there, and then you can pin it or add it by this little thumbtack. So once it is there, you will highlight what you want it to read and then click the little purple button. Sometimes it takes a while. There we go. And this bar will pop up. When you push the play button,
make a prediction. What do you think this narrative nonfiction text is going to be about? Click to add text.
It will read it to you. And so if you're having a hard time with a word, or if you don't remember the questions that I ask at the end of the video, you can have the read write read the question to you again.